Yeah, what's good? It's your boy Tim Westwood in the building. Don't drop a bomb. My God, it's incredible. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm in the building with the Grind Boys, innit?
Grind Boys.
Listen, we're very upset at the moment.
Oi, mate.
We're trying to watch Desus and Mero on Voiceland, but it's geo-blocked. So what we're gonna do is the Grind Boys are gonna drop a fire freestyle.
Not proper.
Crazy
Not
freestyle.
Proper.
Fire.
Not off the noggin.
It's gonna be lit.
No.
Yo!
No freestyle.
Tim Westwood, the Grind Boys. Bodega Boys in the building. It's episode 45. Let me hear those fire bars, young crumpets.
Cook with the time. I can't see that Viceland. In my house. I see Viceland. That's all you get. Until I see the show. No more.
Oh my God, trumpet ball. My God, episode 45. Do the fucking drop. It's lit. I'll block this video so we can get lit out here in the UK.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, episode 45. Bodega Boys in the building.
That's right.
Coming to you live from the Octagon.
Ooh, damn,
the most dangerous place in North.
Just blew a vein fucking doing that.
Listen, can't strain. You just gotta relax and let it come out. Can't force it, man. Can't force it. Gonna end up sitting on a donut.
Triple ball.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Like Terrio, aka Strip Straps, Plus Sling Dick, Eli Lip Beat, Boochers Gully, Slow Banana Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Dorando, 1994, Mikhail Going Off, the Juve Boss, MC Little Gunga P, pulling up from 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber. I don't know you. I don't know you. The original My Plus One got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Simba, I will not be there for your graduation. Young Charcuterie without the coonery, aka Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever of the Yankees, Que Lo Que, aka Vice K Makuzaka, Mr. La Marina and the Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic bed. Let's go. Look at throw the light off.
Yo, it's your boy the Kid Mero, aka Human Durag Flap. You know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti, Rico Sabroso, Skirt Loader. You know what I'm saying? Ben Smack Beyumbo Field to Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking baby Newport. The East Street, my Stevie B. I know fucking baby. I mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? I will go in your crib. I will open the medicine cabinet and I will take the benzos out. That's what I'll do. The Plantain Supernova. Who's that? Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Let's fucking go.
Yo. First of all, shout out to Red Bull. Shout out to all the sponsors. Shout out to Narcancer and all that. Red Bull Studios coming to you live for the crystal clear audio fidelity. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Hypnotic. You know, we had the live show at Slate.
That's right.
Thanks to everyone that came out. It was Littington.
That's right. We had a lot of food before that.
A lot of food, a lot of weed, a lot of drinks, a lot of hypnotic drinks. Shout out to everyone that stole bottles. Y'all destroyed the set like savages afterwards.
We respect you.
Shout out to Katrina and Jorge, he proposed to her at he proposed to her on stage, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. And she said yes, and I'm glad she said yes, because if she had said no, we'd have hit them with the Price is Right. Oh, crowd and boom.
Shout out to the DJ for throwing on Jack and Ed, Let's Get Married.
When he put on the remix, I don't know what's gonna happen with their wedding now. Because everyone that they play if you play the remix, it's like boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
That's not a good.
Damn.
That's not a
what
good.
What if she would have said no? He would have thrown on "fuck that bitch."
Ooh. People just start throwing bottles at him.
Oh man,
no, that's not right.
Come on, son.
Oh man, we did
that was wild.
We did mad shows this week, mad episodes of the show. We did the live podcast. Now we got this.
Yep. And it's still a lot of podcasts still coming out.
You know what I'm saying? We still got that might drop later today. You know, we don't know. We got content on deck. We don't drop whatever.
Nothing, baby. We does this.
It's layups, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We the old heads, but I can still put a quarter on the top of the backboard and jump up and get it. You know what I mean?
Yo, fuck it. You remember in Bloodsport when the nigga ate the pill with the powder and the shit, and like he got super brolic?
No.
That's what you're doing right now. Because I want y'all to understand. Jesus is not in here with the regular 12-ounce beer. He's in here with the big boy 24-ounce today. You know what I'm saying? Because
the Stellas.
Because this is how we got to do it for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta. Listen. This is my HGH.
You know what I'm saying?
My hops green bottle and Hogarden or something.
Yo, when Jesus drinks a beer, it goes in his mouth like the spinach does in Popeye. Like, it just goes up in like an arc.
You see my arms get big.
Boom, boom.
Oh shit. Yo, they were saying today on Twitter, and because if you see something on Twitter, that means it's true. Off the rip. You don't have to fact check it. It says apparently Drake and Taylor Swift are going out.
Oh man.
So get your.
That's gonna be the end of music when they break up.
That's I don't see that, but I mean they both have albums on the way, right? So maybe that's what's going on there.
Imagine the fire. Can you just envision the fire petty bars that Drake will have for Taylor Swift if they broke up? I'm already looking forward to them breaking up because that music is gonna be fire.
That would be great. That would be great for the culture, and for Twitter.
You know
just the memes of them at games sitting next to each other.
Taylor Swift on the hook.
You know, them dressing together. Taylor Swift and Tim's. Make that happen. I want to see Taylor Swift and some Timbs.
Hot take, Mero right now.
Shoot up, pull up.
Taylor Swift is gonna be dressing like Kylie Jenner in 3.5 months.
Yeah,
give her 3.5 months. She's gonna be doing the whole Kardashian braids, semi-ethnic flow. I'm telling you, it's coming.
If she's dating Drake.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, but it's Twitter, so it's true.
It's Twitter. Listen, even if they come out and say that's not true. Twitter said it.
It's true. That's it. It's already out there.
It's out there.
1 million people seen it. 1 million people seen it. It's true. That's it. Sorry.
Once it gets more than 20 retweets, it's gospel. Sorry. Listen, that's
really real.
A stack a month is 20 G's a year. That's what it said.
Hey.
You can't fight the facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, rest in peace to Vine.
Word.
They get Vine out the paint because Twitter was like, yo, we're losing mad fucking money. Yeah. Oh my God, what can we do? How can we save money and make people want to like actually stay on Twitter? And they couldn't come out with anything, so they was like, yo, get rid of that part of the service that has all the black people videos.
Oh yeah, get them out of here.
Get them out of here. That shit with Lil Terrio and
no, get that
shit out of here.
Little do they know that shit feeds Twitter, and they are just shooting themselves in the foot.
Well, Twitter, they said Vine use has gone way down.
It hasn't gone way down, but people still use Vines.
But you know what fucked Vine over? Twitter. Because Twitter added Twitter videos, and you could do like a 2-minute video directly from your timeline. Why would you do that? Maybe that's the reason you're not making money, Twitter, because you're spending money against yourself.
Come on.
Like, how is Twitter not able to make money on Twitter?
I don't know. Everybody's making. Maybe I should start selling fit tea.
Some shit. Maybe Twitter needs to buy a sponsored tweet.
Twitter gotta go on Instagram and sell dresses now.
Yo, Twitter's coming out with a couture line of just 2 dresses and shit. Twitter losing out.
Come on, Twitter.
See, it's funny, but it's not funny because once Twitter goes, where are we going?
I mean, we're good.
Well, I mean, yeah, we're good.
We're already.
The rest of y'all.
Y'all, I don't know.
Nah, but then like, where are people gonna find us? Like on TV and shit.
Yeah, TV.
But then like a new service gonna pop
media.
up, and that the new service, some new Desus and Mero gonna pop up on it.
Nah, they'll be corny. We'll be angel investors in the new Twitter, and we'll be fucking millionaires.
We'll buy Twitter. We'll buy old Twitter and bring it back.
I got 10 on there right now. You got 10?
I got 10 on it.
Let's do it. All right, that's it. I'll go get a box of Dutches, and we lit. I'm buying Twitter. We're gonna smoke it.
We're gonna let you edit tweets.
Yo, hello, y'all put polls, videos, fucking photo editing within the photo shit. And y'all still won't let niggas edit a tweet.
You know you can add stickers to your photo on Twitter.
Yeah,
well, who the fuck?
I don't care.
How much money did you waste developing that shit?
Come on, let me edit the tweet. B, I don't want to go back and delete that whole tweet because I spelled what and instead of at.
But it's too late because that's already at 500 retweets. 500 and she's gonna do numbers. And you're like,
damn.
And then people see it like, yo, I'm gonna retweet it. It's not grammatically correct. Can't do it. Damn.
Or I'm gonna quote it and be like, your asterisk,
or just give you a favorite. Like, I liked it, but I can't share it. Sorry.
Yeah. I like it, but I'm not gonna be able to see.
Sorry,
pal.
You see that LeBron had told Tristan Thompson to not bring Chloe around?
I mean, if I'm LeBron, I would have said the same shit, yo. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, come on, B, that's mad. Like, yo, the Kardashians, shout out to the Kardashians that making money. I'll never hate on a person, somebody getting money unless they get money and it's blocking me from getting money.
Right.
But they're not blocking me from getting money. So, all power to y'all. I'm not mad. But they're all out here, B. They're too out here. Like, if all you got to do to make your money is chill and play basketball, they're gonna stop you from making money because they're gonna take the chill out of that equation. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be no more chill. It's going to be basketball and Kardashians, not basketball and chill.
This is the second biggest block of LeBron's career.
You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
Yeah. Yeah, because of the chase down block that happened
when
the Warriors blew a 3-1 lead in the finals.
Oh, shout out to Warriors.
Shout out to Warriors. The other super team.
The other super team. You know, shout out to our Knickerbockers. You know what I'm saying? The beloved Knickerbocker. How do you say Knickerbocker in Spanish?
Knickerbocker. Nickel.
Maybe it's time we just gotta rebrand and rename it.
Nueva York.
Well, what's a good name for the new Knicks?
The Dimes.
The Dimes. That's a little too. It's a little too illegal. Can't call it
The trade bags?
the box cutters.
Yeah. What is a good new name for the Knicks? See, but the name is so old that it's one of those like mad old timey names.
Yeah.
That like if you were to make a new team now and name it the Yankees, people would be like, yo, what the fuck's wrong with you? Like
Yeah.
if the Yankees didn't exist, you're gonna name your team the Yankees? What is that? A jerking off thing? What does that mean?
That's true.
You know what
That's
I'm saying?
true. All right.
Knicks, Yankees. What's another like Red Sox? Like who cares what the fucking color your socks is?
All right.
But it's like an old timey name, so you gotta honor tradition, blah blah blah.
All right. You sound like the wild old racist white guy.
You know what I'm saying?
Like the one that's the same.
We got it. It's the Cleveland Indians. It's the Cleveland Indians.
Cleve Wazoo.
That's it.
We're showing
Chief
respect.
Wahoo. We are very respectful to the natives, Indians.
The red paint on my face is homage.
It's a paying homage to the Chief Yahoo,
All right.
which was the real chief in the Cleveland Indians plains. All right?
I'm showing respect to the Cleveland Indians.
That's right.
All right. If you don't like it, you can scout my dick. Shout out to
Yeah.
the Indians. It's tied up the World Series, right?
Yeah.
Or it's just 1-1.
Yeah, I think it's 1-1. It's
You
wild
know-
because I'm like, I want to watch it, but I haven't watched it. Because, the Cubs might win the World Series for the first time in like a million years, and nobody
Yeah.
cares except mad old white people.
I feel like I don't want to see them do it.
Nah, you want to hate on them?
It's not even hate on them.
don't
It's just
even-
like I don't. They had a dry spell this long.
Yeah.
Like, don't break it now.
I mean-
I like to see the fade at Club fan faces. Sorry, Chris Hayes.
But somebody, sorry.
Like, you know what? I get enjoyment out of seeing it, like them getting closer and closer and seeing it yanked
'Cause you're a
away.
Knicks fan.
Yeah,
'Cause you're a Knicks fan.
also a terrible person.
Yeah.
Like I sit in bars where teams are about to be eliminated, and I just look at the people just going through it, and you see how I'm like lighting up right now.
Yeah,
It's like how I watch Lively videos.
It's like Shang Tsung, a feed of your souls.
If I could, I'd go around and lick their tears and drink them. Refresh me.
Low-key, when the Red Sox lost, I was like, ha, 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 ha. Well, not low-key, high-key.
Hi, Key.
Yeah. I was the Fat Joe eating ice cream picture
Oh.
the entire time. I was like, you're about to go down. Oh, David Ortiz, you about to retire loser.
No, that's because my teams are pretty bad right now.
I mean, yeah, but Yankees are on the come up.
Rangers are good.
Rangers are good.
Rangers are good.
Rangers are solid. Yankees on the come up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But Yankees had a
And
good
we don't
time.
know
We're
what we
being
got.
greedy. We're being greedy as
Yeah,
Yankee
yeah,
fans.
yeah.
Look, the Cubs are back in the World Series for the first time in
In
like
75
since the
years.
Black Plague.
Yeah.
You know,
but niggas had polio.
like the Yankees they just won it in 09, which isn't that recent, but
it's not that long.
it's
Yeah.
like, we can't complain.
It hasn't been 10 years yet.
Ask a Pirates fan how
Yeah,
that feels.
exactly.
You know, they'll be
Yeah.
like, you Yankee fans, shut the fuck up.
Fuck up, nigga.
Fuck up. Now buy this dust.
Hasn't even been 10
Shout out to Pittsburgh.
Shout out to Pittsburgh. You're out here.
Out there over the rainbow. Did you get to run a show? Mero?
Open my email.
I didn't send one.
Then I'm looking.
See? That's why you have to ask. You have to answer questions before
That's true.
you open your phone.
That's true.
Are you getting one of those new MacBooks with the touchpad?
I saw it and I was like, yo, you know what? I was hyped because I thought the touchpad was just like a touchpad, but it's like, it has it's like a screen.
Yeah, it's a
Yo,
little mini screen.
It's the future, bro.
Yeah,
And it doesn't have the headphone jack either, right? Or it does have the headphone jack, and that's
it
like
does
the
have
weird
a
thing.
but like if you want to use if you want to use those wireless things, you need like a special adapter.
To use wireless, to use the AirPods?
Yeah,
You know what I think though? I think the majority, because everybody's like, "Oh, his AirPods are so stupid." Ha ha. I feel the majority of people are just gonna get other Bluetooth headphones. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like a lot of people already got Bluetooth headphones. You know what I'm saying? Not to be like Mr. Super Hollywood rich guy. I don't got money like that. I got to pay Bluetooth headphones.
Well, it's like this.
They're like $30 now.
You gotta.
Aren't they?
Apple's getting a little desperate.
They are.
It's the ghost of Steve Jobs. Ooh,
I'm here.
Look at these terrible products you're going to approve.
decline.
Like they have nothing. They have nothing. They are not innovating shit.
They're not. I mean, I'm
And
not
even
giving
the
a
jig
fuck.
is up. Even their sales were down or some shit.
Yeah, for the first time in
because
15 years.
Even people are like, yo, like now you're just taking shit away. Like,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
And I say this as an iPhone 7 owner.
Okay. I
Okay.
might just get the 6S Plus now since I got to upgrade from my shit, which is the 5S.
Just get the 7.
Some broke boy shit.
Just get the 7.
Yeah. But I like that the 6S Plus is gigantic.
Yeah, I mean,
never
I
had
still,
a big ass phone. I'm gonna try the big ass phone for like a year.
yeah, I still got my S7 Edge. This lady today asked me if it was the ones that blow up.
Yo, now everybody with a Samsung phone. That's the worst like PR hit that you
Samsung
could take.
fucked up.
Yo, they were on top of the world. But I thought honestly, they were poised to take Apple's spot because, like you said, Apple just declined for the first time in 15
Yeah,
years.
if they had just kept their nose clean and
You know what
stayed
I'm
out of
saying?
trouble,
Y'all coulda just
but
took that spot.
Nope, you all be blowing up and shit.
You know what I mean? They got the TV game on Smash, so I'm not gonna front, B.
They do.
This sounds like the wild Samsung ad, but yo, the TVs are fucking wild.
You often speak highly
Yeah.
of your Samsung phone,
Yeah.
Samsung TV.
Yeah, it's very
so.
cool.
You know, they'll be all right.
They'll be all right, man.
They,
They'll still
like
make 'em up a
Google will
bajillion
buy
dollars.
them, maybe Apple will buy them, and then there'll be no like any
They'll be
kind
all
of,
right.
no kind of variation in the phone
They'll
game.
definitely be all right. Unless Apple starts making washing machines and fucking fridges, then they'll be good.
I know BlackBerry's in the back, like maybe,
Yo.
maybe you should take me back. Yo, like,
What if
know?
I'm like, yo, what's good?
I'm gonna just pull up from 40 and just hit her in the DM.
Yo, don't you miss scrolling with your thumb?
Yo,
Come on, man.
Yo, remember pins?
Yo, remember that?
Yo, come on,
BBM?
come on. Change it. You could change your topic. Your status.
You can change your topic.
We had like 10 emojis, man.
Yo! Fam, I'm gonna go dig in my drawers now because I never throw phones away. I'm a wild hoarder. I'm gonna go find a fucking sidekick and I'm gonna see if it works and I'm gonna start using it.
Yikes, sidekicks, man. That was a moment. That was a moment. Y'all were looking stupid.
Yo, for real.
Y'all were looking like
That was the dumbest shit ever. I was just like, yo, you could use aim like on the phone though? Yo.
Not for nothing, it was kind of wavy for a while there.
Yeah,
People pull out that sidekick and the like the little screen would flip.
You know what I mean?
You remember when Jay-Z had a phone that came bundled with his album or some shit like that?
Oh my god. I
Yeah.
do know. Yo, what phone was fucking StarTAC?
No, it was
What album was it?
what phone? He had a phone.
Oh, it was the Samsung phone, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was
the
a
Magna
Samsung
Carta
phone.
came with the album.
Came preloaded on the phone or some
came
shit like
preloaded
that?
on the phone, yeah. Shout to home. That's the ill wash maneuver. When he
got
doing
that
the
check
wild,
straight up.
Oh my god. He's like, I'm not leaving this to chance. He's like, I'm getting this money
Off the rip.
early.
He was like, Northwest got needs. No, excuse me, Blue Ivy.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, they don't even play together.
They don't even play together. It's destroying the fabric of entertainment.
But Kanye came out and was like, yo, for my brother Cudi. Like, he backtracked. Like,
He
didn't-
backtrack
you know
on
what I'm
Buddy.
saying?
Hey, backtrack on Jay-Z.
That's true, yeah.
Because you know what? Jay-Z and Beyonce are that West Indian couple that, they're holding their nose in the air as they walk past. Why is Northwest so misbehaved? Why isn't her hair combed? Her face is dirty.
Yeah.
Look at her throwing a tantrum.
Look.
Jay, look upon the paper.
Look.
Northwest, do another rap.
Jordan, not a tantrum at the fashion show. Just believe this?
Little wretch.
Rude.
Little wretch.
Little wretch.
Yo, now
Yo. Yo, parents be saying the word. What's the name, parents? Yo, fam, Jamaicans, Haitians, Dominicans, y'all be having, like, parents have, like, a special word that's, like, a mad medieval word, like, that they call kids when the kids are mad.
Yes, that
Like,
they don't use. Yeah.
One's be like, mira ese muchacho asqueroso, rastrero, sucio.
Because you see these kids and you're just like, yo, they're like, you got your kids, but then like you got
All
your
the time,
kids,
yeah, no.
and your kids are your kids.
Listen, I'm not
But we be in like like I've been with you, and we've been in restaurants, BBQs,
Yeah.
and sometimes you look at the other table. And why is the home girl? Why are they running relay races around the table and using the pepper shaker as a baton?
Yo, I swear.
Why is this acceptable right now?
I'm so glad that I was able to perfect the look that my pops used to give me before he would whoop my ass and make it so believable that my kids would be like, yo, he's about to whoop my fucking ass. And I could just pull that out 9 times out of 10 and it works. Because, yo, if my kids are running around a fucking table in a restaurant, my G, that is wild embarrassing to me as a parent. Like, yo, my kids out here wilding, like they're supposed to be behaved chilling. So I just be like, yo, my nigga here, boom. Hit the app store, B. What's good? What you need, baby? You know what I'm saying?
Phones are a life changer.
You know what I mean?
For
He's
kids,
a little Paw Patrol
right?
video, nigga. What's
There you
up?
go.
You know what I mean?
My nephew, he's big on the phone thing.
Yo, that's it. It's baby crack. They'll just sit in a corner. You give them a little thing. Like, yo, if you need them to be... I'm not saying use the shit all the time.
Right.
That's terrible parenting. Like, do not put... Yo, your kid should have 2 hours screen time daily maximum. You know what I'm saying? Broken up throughout the day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But if you're going to put something on for your kids, make sure it's when you need to because that'll hold them down for like 20 minutes solid. Be like, yo, here's the screen. Shut the fuck up while I, you know what I'm saying, do this social security fraud.
I like that because, like, say this TV shit don't work,
Yeah.
and I got to go back to snatching phones. Hopefully, I could catch like a little kid slipping by the doors of the train. Like, yoink,
Yoink!
run
Like,
your
yo, what the
7,
fuck?
Lennox. Can't fight back because he has a peanut allergy.
You saw Snickers at the nigga mad hard. Like, pow! He's like, ow! Ow! Starts sneezing.
Not going anywhere. The peanut bandit struck again. This time on Lorimer Street.
Yo, shout out to Snickers. Send me a box of Snickers. I'll be wild and faithful to Kit Kat.
Yeah, there's a Kit Kat right here.
Oh shit, where? Oh, that's a Reese's.
It's a Reese's cup.
Oh, we lit.
Because today's episode is sponsored by No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's
and
not.
no more free, right? All right.
No more free rides.
You want the shout out?
Cut the check.
All right. All I need is I have a family thing coming up. So if someone would like to send a live goat to Red Bull Studio, I'm being told by an employee of Red Bull Studio, the larger the goat, the better.
Imagine niggas really trying to go to me.
I'm gonna bring a goat. I'm going to England, so I want to bring the goat to England. I'm not even gonna check it. I'm just gonna like have it on my lap.
Carry on.
On my lap for the whole flight. I'm gonna just walk through customs, the part where they be like, "Yo, you got anything to clear?" I'll be like, "Nope."
No.
Why? You see something? What?
Nah, it's
It's
my
a
bag.
comfort goat.
It's a service animal. Let's see, and I go.
I'm gonna put those sunglasses on. I'll be like, "It's my press agent."
Nigga just say no to everything.
No.
Nah.
Jesus, do you have a moment?
Nah.
Excuse me, Jesus.
Nah.
The new vice
Nah.
says.
Nah.
Press goat.
Presco.
We're gonna get a season of that on CBS.
Oh man, can't wait.
Press goat. The #1 rated show on Wednesday night.
Oh my.
And
With like his two bumbling assistants and shit.
yeah. Oh, whoa.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Goat.
Whoa.
Hey, you got a meeting in 5.
Nah.
I got your dry cleaning.
Oh. Your lawyer called. The lawyers from Billy Goat Gruff called.
Yo, that's some perfect stranger shit. Just with a goat.
Way to go. Wasn't there a goat on? Yeah.
I think Balky had a goat.
Damn.
Shut the
All
Balky.
these wash references.
Yeah.
You can get more of these wash references at Wash Fest.
Yeah.
We got a new sponsor for
I got mad hype like it's happening. Like next week and shit. Like, yo, watch this nigga. It's lit. You know
Oh, man.
what I'm saying? Lisa and Cult Jam are headlining.
Lisa Frank is giving out Trapper Keepers. So,
For real?
at Wash Fest.
Oh,
yes.
okay. I was like, oh shit, word? That sounds like a Twitter Moments thing.
You said Lisa and Cold Jam? They're not washed. No, because
they're like classic.
They
got
do a
that mad.
freestyle concert at Madison Square Garden that sells out every year.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you know.
Yo, that freestyle shit that got them, Stevie B. There's like what? And the fucking like Kate, was it KTA?
yeah.
KTA? They got a lot of, you know what I'm saying? They do sell out, B. Because listen, as long as there's Puerto Rican grandmas in New York City, they're gonna sell out.
Yeah. Wait till CBS FM starts playing like freestyle.
Yo,
I mean, it's coming.
white people are gonna be tight. White
Eventually-
people got tight when they started playing like Michael Jackson on CBS FM. That wasn't
Listen.
like Jackson 5.
After a while, ain't nobody gonna be around who still wants to hear shit from the 1950s.
You know what I'm saying?
Just listen,
I'm
you
just
people,
saying.
just let you people on Arthur Avenue know.
Yeah. Yo, because look, if you think about it, when you listen to music from like the 1920s and shit, it's terrible. It's terrible. Be like, I heard shit like when I was watching, I used to watch Boardwalk Empire.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's like Nucky Thompson. Man, it's the
Yeah.
1920s, Shane. Man. That music fucking sucks. Be like, wanna say that one in and
It was like the depression and shit. Like,
yeah,
they
shit was
tried to-
depressing. Like, I was like, what you have?
That's why they called it the depression.
Y'all didn't have no DJ Mustard beats? Like, what's good? Like,
They didn't have money for 808s.
you know what I'm saying? Niggas that had to start a mix pack yet?
They
What
got
happened?
they had no time. They had no money for studio time and shit. It was like, yo, my kids could eat turnips, so I could like lay down these fire tracks.
You know what I'm saying? Speaking of 5 tracks, Jubilee's album is out. It's called After Hours. It's fucking fire.
Mixed bag.
I smoked mad weed to that shit the other day. It was fucking fire.
I heard Wiz Khalifa smoked mad weed to it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He was like, man, I don't understand why they said fuck me because, like, I really like this album, dog. Like, this album's, like, really ill. You know? Like, I smoke my KK, smoke my KK, smoke my KK. Yo, you see that nigga giving weed to paparazzi?
Yeah.
Like, just sitting in the car, rolling up. Where was this? That he could just blatantly take weed out of a wild jar?
It was in L.A.?
I think it was in Vegas.
Oh.
Isn't Vegas mad, like, weed illegal?
I've never been.
You never been in Vegas?
Never been to Vegas.
Me neither.
Yeah. We should go.
Yo, but they
We're supposed to go with
Vegas.
Shane.
Book
Remember?
it. Yeah, that's right.
So
Shane, we put you on the spot.
put him on the spot. He don't listen to podcasts. He's too rich. Once you get past a certain, no, we have some pretty rich friends who listen to this. So.
Yeah. But like, it's another level of rich. Like, there's like rich, like we have friends that are rich, and then there's like, yo, rich. Like the nigga that just dead in Mariah Carey, like
Yeah.
that level rich. Like, I feel like if you're that level rich, do you even consume entertainment anymore? Like, what's your day like? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got so much
'Cause
money,
you
like,
gotta be in like a bubble if you're like.
yeah, you got so much money, you got to worry about your money now. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I got $500 billion. Like, I got to worry about this money.
Well, no, you have people to worry about that for you. Like, I don't think he's worrying about his money on a day-to-day basis.
No?
At all.
I've got too much anxiety for that.
He's worth 3.5. James Packer, Mariah Carey's ex-fiance.
Ex-fiance. T-Report.
T-Report. Tea time with Desus and Mero. Sip, sip.
Ooh, that tea is hot.
It's the T-Report. Welcome to our new sponsor, the Lipton Tea Report. I'm your boy, Sassy D.
Yeah.
All right. James Packer, the $3.5 billion Playboy ex-fiance of Mariah Carey.
Oh, X?
X.
Spill that tea, boo.
X. X to the next. He apparently got tired of her reality show time.
Yo.
And he said, I'm done with you, Miss Thing.
That's it.
That's it. However, except this tea, she
my
got to
God.
keep the ring.
What?
I guess she's the winner
Of
here.
course she did. You crazy? Like, I will keep it too.
Shout out to her. Shout out to her. She gets the tea bag of the day.
Tea bag of the day, boo.
All right, 'cause you
Go
kept the
ahead.
ring. That's what's important.
That's right. Get your money because they will not give it to you, baby.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, pay her worth.
Yeah, that's right.
It's Tea Report.
Tea Report.
Yeah, I would have been like, give me back the fucking ring. Fuck that.
Yo.
How much was?
No, a couple $1 million.
Yo.
Like $10 million.
See, that shows he doesn't worry about his money because, like,
How much was it actually? 10 million?
I'm trying to find it, man. I mean, I would ask for, it was a $10 million engagement. Nah.
$10 million.
$10 million. See, that shows he doesn't worry about his money. We can't even put ourselves in the mind of, let me blow your mind right now. It's like when they say, can God make a rock big enough that God can't lift?
Oh.
Now you see this? Like, now people have argued this question. Play the Twilight Zone music in the background. Right? People have argued this question for centuries and shit.
Yo.
But one philosopher was like, yo, the problem with that question is our puny human minds can't even decipher how deep that statement is, so we'd never be able to answer it.
What?
And that's what's going on here with this $10 million engagement ring. Because he's worth $3.5 billion.
Damn.
Now, to us, $10 million is life-changing.
Yeah.
To him, that is a trinket he gave her.
Damn.
He doesn't care.
Damn, dog.
Expand your mind, bro.
Damn.
Stop thinking.
I'm mad you hit me with the God can make a rock big enough right when I'm fucking like, yo, next track, smack shitty. Tree?
Smack City, Smack City.
Damn.
WSMNK, Smack City. Yeah, think about that.
Damn. That's wild. Yeah. I mean, yeah.
If you want to stay late at night and shit, like, just think of that.
Damn. I'm going to bring that up next time I'm in the cypher and everybody's going to get mad at me. Like, damn, nigga, what the fuck?
You can argue that for your whole life.
How we got here from, like, would you leave a house if
That
it was
question is so deep. Like,
some
some people actually lose their faith over it because
Wow.
they can't reconcile it in their head.
Yo. Yeah, damn. But I feel like, I mean, like, if it was like, yo, I'm God, I can do whatever the fuck I want, I'm going to make a rock so big that I can't lift it. Then he could be like, yo, pal, I made the rock so big I can't lift it. But then he could be like, yo, I'm God, nigga, I can lift this shit. And then he lifts it. And then he's like, oh shit, now I gotta make a bigger rock. Yo, and over 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 and over. Yo! It's like a fucking, it's like pie. She just goes on forever.
See?
Damn. You ever be in a bathroom and there's two mirrors and you look in the mirror and it's just like reflection.
But no,
reflection.
to a bathroom where they're lined up nice.
Yeah.
Because the VIM on Fordham Road, they have a part where the mirrors, they do the infinity thing by the cashier, but they weren't lined up right, so they curved, and it didn't really do the infinity, and it always made me mad. I always wanted to go and fix it.
Like, damn.
Fun fact, I applied to be an accountant at VIM on Fordham Road. Like before
you would have
college.
been doing mad scams.
Yo,
Something about me. Something
they were
about
like,
me
"Do you know
makes
how to
feel
use
like it's not-
QuickBooks?" So I was, yeah, I do.
Okay.
So I didn't get the
QuickBooks?
job.
Is QuickBooks one of those things that's like, yo, I'm gonna put this on my resume?
Yeah, definitely. If you really know how to finesse
Excel
it,
and shit. Shout out to Excel. I'm not proficient in Excel.
No one is. No one knows how to use Microsoft
No one is
Word.
in real life, but everybody is on their
Everyone is-
resume.
Yeah, you have to put on your resume. And then you have that fucking moment when they ask you to do some shit you never heard, like mail merge, or yo, can you make a report off of this spreadsheet, or yo, this presentation, like I want to embed this fucking audio file.
Wave
And
file?
You're just like, what? Or now the new one is like, yo, you said you knew Final Cut Pro, so could you make like a 3-minute montage video of this? And you're like, all right, you know what? I forgot what the Final Cut Pro icon looks like. So if you could click
It's changed recently, right?
He's just sitting there like, file, new, Chrome, Google, Final Cut Pro, how to use first time. And you just read this shit, and they're like, "Hey, welcome to lesson 1 of 30." You're like, "All right, skip to lesson 30." Lesson 30 is like so way past your level. You're like, "All right, back to 15." You're like, "Damn, you're sweating." They're like, "How's that video clip coming along, dude?" Like, just rendering." Give me a second.
You just keep trying to find that one jargon word that you're like, find, render. Damn.
Better off it just like spilling water on the keyboard.
Like,
Like,
oh, shit. Oh.
Project's done.
Whoa.
Damn,
yo.
And I forgot to back it up. Damn.
But here's a life hack. If you lie yourself into a position of like you head a department of something and you need to learn Final Cut Pro, you just hire people under you that know how to actually do it, and you just slide the work off and you just skate as long as you can.
Well,
but that whole time you got to be looking for a new job.
But nobody. I mean, most of us are not in positions to hire people.
Yeah, that's true.
You know. Damn, Mero, have you forgotten how the real world works?
I did. I forgot all about it.
Look at you, insulated in the cocoon of Hollywood.
Yeah. I mean, just the other
Losing
day.
touch with the regular man.
That's not true at all.
When was the last time you had a chopped cheese sandwich? That wasn't brought to you by a PA.
Just yesterday. And actually, I'll have you know, I was in the supermarket the other day and I bought a gallon of milk. It's so wild how expensive it is now. It's like,
how much is a gallon of milk,
like
Mero?
It's like $12.50 nowadays. So I'm still humble out in these streets. Just out here.
Look at you.
By the way, y'all gonna have me for a little longer East Tremont because niggas had to cancel the crib for a second. Had to cancel the crib. Yeah, there's too much shit wrong. You know what I'm saying?
Too much shit wrong.
I was
they had to
ignoring
cancel.
too many
He's
red
not
flags.
getting a house.
You know what I'm saying? There's too many red flags that I ignored in my
Haste.
thirstiness to be living in a crib.
There's nothing wrong with that.
We coming.
There's nothing wrong with that because you know what? You earned it.
Yeah.
You earned it and you wanted it.
Yeah.
And you got a kid on the way, and why not?
Why not?
And you know what?
I got too hype. I got
You
to
got too
cool
hype.
it.
It's all right.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Yo, if you're a realtor in the, you know what I'm saying, Bergen County area, holla.
Like-
Don't holla. We got a realtor.
Right.
She's cool, but.
No, I legit, when you told me that, I legit felt bad.
Well,
You know what I'm saying? Like, me, the Bodega Hive, we're all out here. Everyone, you know, Nick, Eric, everyone, Rashida, Ezra, everyone is rooting for the house.
That's right.
And when it fell through, we're like, oh.
But you know what? It didn't
It's
fall
like
through
on Married with Children, when the actress who was pregnant, they wrote in that she was pregnant. Katie Siegel or some shit.
Yeah.
She was pregnant, and everyone was, they had written into the script that she was gonna have a baby, and she miscarried in real life.
Oh, yeah.
And then like it was mad sad, and they had to like.
She was Jefferson, right? She was married to Jefferson?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh,
the
it was actually
mother,
Peggy. Yeah,
Peggy
yeah.
Bundy.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So what they ended up doing was they brought in some kid who like some hillbillies had left him behind. His name was Six.
Oh, no.
But he was like a full grown kid.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Remember?
Damn, that was like late seasons, right?
Yeah, towards the end.
Oh, all right.
So that's
Shout
my
out to Married
story.
Children. Dark seasons.
I'm either dark Jesus or I'm just useless trivia facts.
That was a combo. That was like a
That was a combo. That was levels.
You know what I'm
Levels.
saying? Out here.
I'm out here on Westbrook.
What?
Ugh.
Really ready, nigga?
Ready for this shit?
Speaking of Westbrook, they were like, yo, Westbrook, like, yo, how do you feel? Like, did you watch KD's first game? And he was like, nah.
That's Westbrook. I respect it. That guy that gave him the double middle finger in Philadelphia said that he was booing him, and that Westbrook said, "You fucking fat fuck" or some shit like this, or this fat fucking guy, and that's why he got mad and gave him the double middle finger.
This fat fucking guy.
Or some shit like that. Like I could do the facts, but you know what? We don't have a use for here.
Facts. I don't need facts.
Facts.
Need facts? Think about it. When's the last time you sent a fax? Mm-hmm. It's obsolete.
Facts is a whack.
Facts on any level is whack. Yo, but yeah, nah. Yo, come on, son. You can't. It doesn't matter though. But you're there to watch them play basketball. Like, who cares? If I'm playing basketball, I'm mad nice. You're here to watch me. I could definitely go up to you and be like, "Yo, fuck you, my G." You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna go and do a dunk, and you're gonna be like, "Oh," you know. So why are you so mad? Don't get hyped and then think that you safe because you know what I'm saying? Because y'all see what happened in Indiana. Or I mean in Detroit.
Malice
Palace. Yeah, that was in Detroit.
fine.
Actually.
Listen, that's Detroit, right?
Yeah, but it was the Pacers, Indiana Pacers.
It happens.
And the
You
Pistons.
can get it. Don't
Anybody can
think
get
because these goons are getting millions and I still goon.
Come on. I could definitely see Westbrook giving niggas a hands in the stands.
Who do you think is the
Right.
best fighter on the Knicks right now?
Best fighter on the Knicks?
Joakim?
He got a lot of injuries. He's definitely probably the scrappiest.
Yeah, he still got the hands though. I mean, I mean in a fist fight.
Yeah. Oh well, yeah. Yeah, but you know nowadays motherfuckers want to try to take you down on some MMA shit. Like
I think Ron Baker, low key.
Ron Baker probably got hands. Yeah, he got hands.
All his life he's had to fight.
Yeah. I thought he was black, B. When you just reading motherfuckers' names on the internet and blogs and shit, Ron Baker. I had no idea this dude was gonna be the wild.
It don't get no blacker than that. You hear that? You're like, damn, this nigga know all the Temptation songs and got a barbecue recipe on deck. This nigga got all the fucking brown leather sandals.
All of them. You know what I mean? Oh man. But now you can get your Baker jersey without having to, special order it.
I was actually going to get a Vin Baker jersey when I was younger. But
Respect.
Now it's just like, I'll probably get like a Desus jersey.
True. Because now niggas got it like that. I was thinking about that too. I was like, I'm going to just get every jersey and just throw Kim Mero on the back.
Also, people know me as Desus. So, I'll just run with that. I'm going to do that shit. That's what Jack A. Harris... On 227, she was all about Jack A. Harris, and then one season on the opening credits, that shit just said Jack A. And I was like, okay.
All right,
dude. Yo.
Fuck it.
Speak your truth, beloved.
I feel like if your first name got an accent mark in it, you're allowed to just drop your last name.
You can do it.
You know what I'm saying?
So I'll flex until you gotta order some shit.
Does Sade have an accent on her shit?
Yeah. Smooth operator.
She's so good. So many joints. Is it a crime?
That was hauntingly beautiful.
You know what I'm saying? If you never got top into that, you're lame.
I don't think there is. I don't think it is unless Google's being racist.
Yeah, they might be because it sounds like there is. But yo, if you got apostrophe, you know what I mean? Gotta go back to school.
You gotta learn your grammars, dog.
My grammars.
You gotta learn your grammars. How you used to work in the school, but now you don't know.
I worked at. Oh damn! I was about to say something math out, but listen, we're growing as people, so I'm not gonna say it.
You self-edited.
Yeah, shout out to me.
Shout out to you.
I was gonna say I did work in special ed. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit! Ken Bone died.
Stop. Yeah. He took his 15 minutes seriously.
Yo.
Are you serious?
No.
Damn. I was weirdly hyped.
The whole internet was like, what?
What?
Ken Bo just was like, I'm addicted to the fame. I need the bright lights, so I can't go back to this regular day job shit.
This nigga's in the whole Holiday Inn fucking lobby right now with his dick out.
I can't go back to the headphone department at Best Buy.
No.
I'm Ken Bones, bitch.
I'm Ken Bones.
Ken Bones, I'm too strong for this. I used to get titties.
Ken Bone. Niggas start singing this shit, so.
He's got no shirt on in the rain and shit. Damn, I wonder if Ken Bone got... Well, he's married. He probably didn't even get his dick sucked or no coke.
Exactly. He looks like one of those dudes. And yo, listen, man. I'm sorry, but there's dudes out there that are just wild lame, B. And you could tell, like, fam, you never 69 on the couch. You never smashed in an elevator. You know what I'm saying? Like, you never finger shorty in a park. Like, you never wild out. You know what I'm saying? Like,
all true.
He looks like exactly that type of guy. So he doesn't even have a frame of reference.
BBQ.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You never just say, yo, I'm going to slide off to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Like, never in life. So you know what I mean? I feel like he doesn't. He
peaked.
Yeah.
He peaked. You got to be happy with what he got.
Yeah.
Because,
Come on, son.
Listen, you made that. Listen, you didn't know you were going to go viral.
He had no idea.
Him and the Chewbacca mom gonna end up on Dancing with the Stars.
Think that you would be this rich? Him and Chewbacca mom singing that shit. That's how y'all stay relevant. Go do that. You're welcome.
Dancing with the Stars. If you ever see me and Mero or Dancing with the Stars, just turn that shit off.
Turn that shit right the fuck off.
We'll wash the fuck.
Don't wash it. We are ashamed.
Don't give us no ratings. Make sure that shit. If you see us on the street, spit on us. Feel like you piece of garbage.
How dare you?
The brand isn't strong.
Trash.
I was with you.
Fucking clown.
We used to be at 212 West 18th. Look at you sold out, you human garbage.
You human garbage. Yeah.
I'm just taking I'm living in the 220. I'm living in the 18th Street subway station, taking a shit on the steps.
Yeah.
Ow. Yeah, it's Jesus night. Jesus fine. Doing all the AKAs while I'm taking a shit, wiping my ass with the New York Post. That's how you know I'm fucked up in the game, because I can't have the Daily News. I'm using the New York Post. Not even bums wipe their butt with it.
Yeah, it's a shit rag.
So what you gonna do now? You gonna still look for another house in Jersey?
Yeah, I mean, like that's the yeah, because I'm definitely bouncing because my apartment is too small.
Right,
it's just too small. You know what I mean? And I want a yard and shit. Mm-hmm. So like, but you know what it was? I was so hyped because niggas got that contract and it was like, yo, cop in the crib.
Right.
So like, I was so hyped. We only looked at like 6 houses.
Oh,
you know what I mean? Like you got to do more. But what I was saying was like, you can't you gotta get in between. Like you can't look at only 5 houses, but you can't look at 40 houses either. You know what I'm saying? Like, so.
All right.
But you know what I'm saying? We start from square one, but it's lit.
I'm gonna go to the Botanica and I'm going to buy the Lucky House candle for you. I ask and I implore all the other Bodega Hive members to not only, if they can't find one in the Botanica, to go on my local sourced farm blog.
That's right.
Called Desus Dirty Nails, where I show you handcrafts and different spices you can plant in the off season. This week I'll be showing you how to make a fertility candle and also a gender reveal candle. When do we find out about the baby?
Shit. Oh yeah, November 10th.
November 10th?
Yeah. What is it? What day is that? Is that on a art day?
Is that on an art day? Oh my God. Is it
Thursday? Well, y'all be the first to
Y'all
know.
find out on Friday. It's coming all sad, like, see, this is Kid Mero with 4 boys.
Yeah. I was thinking about it. I'm like, I'm good either way. I would love to have a daughter, but if it's another boy, I'm not even mad, because now it's like, yo,
I hope it's
one
a girl.
of these niggas is gonna be on the Yankees.
Yeah. Well, I hope it's a girl, so you could just start doing like the wild misogynistic tweets and shit.
Yeah.
And just be like, yo, it's mad hard having a girl. I hope she doesn't grow up to suck wild dicks.
Oh no.
And I'll be like, yo, this is Mero's new lane.
Yo, that's so ill. I can't do that. No, I gotta respect my kid's agency.
No,
You know what I'm saying?
you do not.
I mean, but also as a,
You made them. They have no agency.
that's true, yeah. As a Dominican dad, that's absolutely
That's
true.
absolutely true. We both know this.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, y'all niggas ain't got no agency. And you can't close your door because this is my house.
You
only have privacy
You
when
could
you
do
get
that.
your own crib.
You could do that extreme shit where, like, if they slam the door, you take the door off the hinges. Can't wait.
You want to slam doors?
Or even better, take off the doorknob so they can't like open and close their door.
Yeah.
People got shit on deck. Got shit on deck. I remember my parents, they used to take away the I think one of the fucking AV cables between the cable box and the TV.
Haters.
Where we was like punished. I was like, really? I was like, I could go to Radio Shack or buy one, but if you want to play this game or hide the controllers for the Xbox and shit, all right.
That's pure hate. That's pure hate. Like, yo, you don't do that. Just whoop my ass. I'd rather you whoop my ass.
No, you got an ass whipping and a punishment.
Yeah, but it's like, I feel like if I was dramatic enough when I got my ass whooped, the punishment was less severe.
No. Well, looking back, the ass whipping and the punishment had nothing to do with whatever we were being punished. Like, there was some other external shit going on.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
But,
Duh.
It's all good now. 'Cause
Parents
now,
always defer their anger. You got to try not to, but that's what ends up happening.
Because now I'm able to cash out and take my deep personal trauma and repackage it as satire
That's right.
and light comedy.
And niggas got it on deck.
And niggas got a TV
Come
show
on,
off it.
crazy.
So
I got so much. Oh man, so much
little
drama. It's
little,
like
little
it's
Jesus
like,
keep taking them belts. we gonna rise to the top.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Or wild, actually.
That's ableist.
And this is a wild fuego take. I feel like getting my ass whooped as a kid made it easier for me to then scrap later on in life when I was like, you know what I'm saying, when it was beef.
Yeah.
Like I'd be like, I'm fighting.
Well,
You know
basically,
what I'm saying?
if your parent could beat you, you're not gonna let this next nigga beat you.
Exactly. You know what I'm
Like,
saying?
fuck that.
Fuck.
I gotta live with this
only
nigga.
one person is whooping my ass.
Exactly. And I'm like, yo, he's bigger than me. He's using a weapon. Like, you're my age. Like, let's get it on. Fuck that.
You know what I mean?
Also, because I got punched in the face early in life. So once you get punched in the face,
that's
you're like,
it.
yo, all right, what's the worst that can happen now?
Breaking the seal.
Stabbed?
Yeah.
You'll be all right.
And then if you get stabbed, it's like, yo, if you get stabbed and survive, you're like, yo, come on.
That's why on the first day of the BX Academy, we punch every student in the face.
Yep.
Just straight off the rip. Girls too.
Inauguration. Yep.
Just let them know off the rip. It ain't sweet. But we don't tell them when.
No, just
Like, just randomly.
Yeah.
Like,
Every student has their own individual. It's like an individual. It's like the IEP instead of individual education plan. It's IPP,
Yeah.
individual punching plan, and we just come through randomly
Just
on a
randomly.
Wednesday. Bang! That was your day, Julio.
but hold
You know
that.
what I'm saying?
For the class. Like, dang! They're like, oh, thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you,
sir.
thank you, thank you.
Correction is a punishment.
Thank you.
Because you
Let me
got to
just
teach
give
the
them-
little youths. Give them a little achievement certificate and a ribbon. You survived.
You survived.
Welcome to the academy. Then the credits roll.
Yeah.
Listen, we're trying to help the people.
Come on.
You know. Shout out to all the fans. We got the BX Academy art club
Word.
shirt, t-shirts.
Limited
Trying to
yes.
get those out in time for Black Friday.
And all the limited art boxes that we signed and shit, and all the limited shit that y'all stole off the stage at the Hypnotic show.
The Hypnotic shit that shit
we
was up.
signed.
Shout out to Slate Security. Like, yo, you can't leave with that. Yo, you can't leave with
y'all
yo. What the fuck?
Can y'all, y'all gotta leave that.
Oh man.
Slate Security wasn't ready for that. What type of, I have never been to Slate prior.
Right.
But
I don't think they was ready for a show like that.
Yeah.
Not many places could have had it.
Yeah.
It was either there or the bookings room in Rikers.
You know what I mean?
So.
Like fucking Caridad and shit. Just move the tables over.
But don't turn the music down. We're gonna have our next one at Don Coquille, but we're not gonna tell the DJ. So we're gonna be doing a live show while he's just yelling at like top speed, top volume and shit. Like,
can I tell you? And I know because you've been there.
I was there 2 weeks ago.
The sound levels at Don Coquille, I'm washed. I admit it, but like, yo, the speakers there, fam,
it's
are
noticeably
out of control.
loud. Like. I know my hearing is gone from like fucking DJing in clubs and shit like that. Every now and then, you'll plug in your headphones and the channel will be all the way up and you'll get that sharp piercing noise. You'll be like, yo, what the fuck?
Shit, yeah.
That's all night at Don Coquille.
Yo.
If the person across the table from you, you're yelling at them like, yo, you think we should get this to go?
Yo, you gonna get the ropa vieja? That's good. It's good here.
Robin Hood's here?
What?
Wait, what'd you say?
The beans are banging. The beans with the rice?
No. Beans was on Charlemagne's show, and then he's had the beef with Meek Mill.
Calamari?
But
this ain't a seafood spot?
No.
They got calamari?
Khaled, the baby with the Snapchat. No, he was wrong.
Yo, let's go take a picture for the step and repeat.
Stephanie!
Ooh.
No, like when I was there, what happens is they're already loud, and then the DJ comes live, and it gets louder.
Louder, dog.
Like, the mixer's already at 10. Where are you getting these extra 2 decibels from, my G?
And yo, can we do some type of separation? I'm sitting there trying to eat your plate of rice and beans, dog.
Nope.
Like, they got the fucking wild speaker, like, right there. And there's a shorty doing live salsa music. Mm-hmm. So she's coming over to my table. She walks directly in front of the speaker, my guy. I was like, yo, what the fuck? Yo. I'm like, yo, like you said, I'm talking to my sister and my brother-in-law, and they are 13 inches away from me, and I cannot hear what the fuck they're saying. Yo, can y'all turn it down a little bit? I fuck with y'all. Yeah, the food is banging. The service is very good.
Also, shout out to that $10 parking fee.
That's wild.
At City Island.
Y'all bugging for that.
I guess, but that's for safety because if you pay $10, you're not gonna be that quick to shoot out the place and then run out to get your car.
That's true.
You'll be like, oh, pa 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 pa. Yeah, it's the Toyota Accord, the burgundy one. Just bring it around, please.
Shout out to fucking the valet on City Island for losing Ingrid's car that one time.
I know that nigga was shook. Like, he was like, I better find this fucking car.
Yo, she said, what the fuck you mean you can't find my car? Like,
the adventures of Ingrid.
Oh my god. Yo, wow.
The girl Mero.
I'll fuck you up.
Yo. Oh man.
I saw something about J.K. Rowling, and I was like, who the fuck is J.K. Rowling? I was like, oh shit, that's shorty that wrote Harry Potter.
Yeah.
She wrote something that got picked up by HBO.
Harry Potter?
Who cares? No. It's called Cormoran Strike.
Well, once you make
what is that?
Once you make Harry Potter, like whatever you put out after that, they're
gonna let you cook.
Take.
Yeah,
so shout out to her. We're trying to get in that lane. Once we get these Emmys, dog.
Oh man, they're gonna let us do anything.
We're gonna be putting in so much shit. Okay, so there's a picture here of Azealia Banks crying on Access Hollywood if she opens up about her violent encounter with Russell Crowe. But we've ran out of time because I would love to watch this. I don't know, like she might actually be. Gotta hear both sides. You gotta hear both sides.
Bob, did you take?
But when RZA's like, yo, you wildin' ma.
Yo, ma, you
when
wildin'.
someone who uses bong as punctuation.
Bong, yo, you wildin'. Yo, bitch, to be a nurse, you gotta go to school first.
I don't know. I hope she's alright.
Yo, wow.
My heart goes out to her.
Yeah, man.
My heart goes out to young Bodega Cat.
You know what I mean? She's clearly going through some shit.
She's going through some shit. You
know
know
what I mean?
God's working on all of us. We're all riding our horses.
That's right. I hope you ride yours into the sunset.
We are all just our own Bodega Cat looking for that warm loaf.
That's right.
Okay.
Wow. Yo, we gotta start this. Like, we gotta get this desk calendar.
We gotta get this inspirational shit. Start wearing the sweaters. Have the microphones that wrap around our faces. Doing the inspirational seminars.
They're like flesh colored.
Mm-hmm. Have you found your poppy? Have you found your personal bodega?
Huh? Think about it. You want to self-actualize like a chopped cheese. You want to hit the grill.
We are the Bodega Boys.
That's right.
Can you be a Bodega Boy? Do you have what it takes to be a Bodega Boy and or girl?
Yeah. It's inside you. You just have to find it. Hit that deli slicer and cut off the rotten part of the meat and get to the good part. Yo, Poppy's not cutting off the rotten part of the meat. He don't respect you.
Nah, he got to feed that to the bodega cat.
Yeah.
Guess if they live off that. That and broken dreams. Yo, it's episode 45.
45.
That's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young
right.
Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat Laterio,
Like
a.k.a.
what?
Chris Stats Pro Sling Dick, a.k.a. Eli Lipbit, a.k.a. Butcher's Gully, Soberdan Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot
Wow.
Take, Jesus H Fuego, Mr.
That
Nando's
guy.
Orlando, Cuatro, Milk Hair Going Off, The Juve
That
Boss,
is
MC,
him.
Liquor Gunga P, Pulling Up from 40 with Shobi, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
I don't know
Get out of here, no, he's on. Put your seat up. You're touching my knees. The original, my plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi is Jamaican Jew. I'm actually a little disappointed that Mero's not joining in the neighborhood. We had gotten together and made a banner, and you know, we had gotten a nice card for Panera Bread. I heard that his wife likes that, but if they're not going to take it, I'll gladly put it back in my pockets. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Simba, I will not teach you how to get to the tails. Young Shakunery with the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
right.
A.K.A. Loke. A.K.A. Vice K. Mazuzaka. Mr. La Marina, Mesmerina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold misdemeanor. A.K.A. Problematic Babe. Mwah. There was tongue in that one.
Oh, shit, he slipped you some tongue. Hey, you know who Tit is, nigga. You know who. The Kid Mero, a.k.a. the motherfucking human do-rag flap, you know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti. Curve. Also, you know what I'm saying? Motherfucking skirt loader, you know what I mean? Fucking Bin Smack Biombo, you know what I'm saying? Triz Khalifa.
Triz Khalifa.
You know what I mean? The plantain supernova in the sky, a.k.a. check the fucking guest list because my name is on it. And no, I'm not stepping to no fucking side. Call the promoter. I know him. He's my friend. We used to went to school together in 5th grade. You know what I'm saying? Swipe my debit card again because there's money on it. I'm for sure about that. Ask Jay Smith.
Is it a chip
crib,
card or?
It's a I gotta put the chip in.
It's a chip card.
I gotta swipe.
Put it in.
Okay, but swipe first.
Swipe. No, put it in.
AKA the motherfucking human durag flap. Nigga, I said that shit twice. I don't give a fuck. I'll open your medicine cabinet, and if you see me at Target with my seeds, approach me like a fucking earth sign mammal. If you don't know what that is, it's a bear, nigga. Don't look me in my eyes. We'll be back. Holla.
Until next week.
That's right.
And of course, Monday.
Oh, yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday on Viceland.
Visual art.
11 p.m. Is Jesus and Mero?
Uh-huh.
We out there.
That's right.
We're on every format. We're trying to Kevin Hart this.
That's right.
You're going to be sick. Wait till you see us
Maximum.
in the 800 Club with Pat Robinson saying some problematic religion shit. Woo. Every woman that has a weave is going to hell. We out.